In the last 5 years, it appears little has changed in a third world country somewhat cut off from the rest of the world. Many of its people have no choices and nothing to do. With no mail service, no phone service, and no school system, it is a place where hope is slipping away quickly.
This is the end, beautiful friend. This is the end, my only friend, the end. I'll never look into your eyes again.
Looking out over the city from the Bockaby Hotel where we stay, it was easy to see what a beautiful place this city could have been. The reality, however, was virtually destroyed, leaving no building untouched. What was once a thriving downtown with voices conducting business had been replaced with rubble.